This video is about finding the instant runoff winner of an election. So the instant runoff method works as follows. First, we have to determine if any candidate has a majority of the first place votes. If someone does happen to have the majority of the first place votes, then that candidate wins, and that's the end of that. But if not, if no candidate has a majority, then we eliminate the candidate with the fewest first place votes, and then we try again to see if anybody has a majority now. We keep doing this until somebody has a majority of the first place votes. So let's look at an example here. I've got my preference schedule. First, we need to determine how many total votes there are. So we just add up the numbers along the top. Got 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. That makes 17. So there are 17 total votes. Half of 17 is 8.5, so that means that we need 9 votes for a majority. So let's look at the first place votes, which I have put in the lovely red box there. So let's total them up here. Candidate A has 0 first place votes. Candidate B has 6. Candidate C has 8. Can you see why candidate C has 8? First column and the last column both vote for candidate C. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And candidate D has 3 points. So no one has 9. So we need to eliminate the candidate with the fewest first place votes. That is candidate A, because candidate A got no first place votes. Therefore, that's the fewest. So we're going to kick candidate A out. Now, admittedly, this doesn't really change anything, but out of completeness, that is what we have to do. So let's look at the total now. It's exactly the same as it was last time. And still, no one has 9 votes. So, what I'm going to do now, since my preference schedule has some blanks in it, I'm going to scoot all of the candidates up. Since I only have 3 candidates now, 4th place is kind of irrelevant. So, focused on the first place votes, I can see that candidate D, candidate D has the fewest first place votes. So we will kick candidate D out. And candidate B moves up in there to fill up the hole. So here's the new preference schedule with just 2 players. This time, I think that we will come to a resolution. So candidate B has 9 votes and candidate C has 8 votes. We finally got somebody who has 9 votes, which is candidate B. So now candidate B has the majority, so candidate B wins. And that is how you do instant runoff.